Are you lacking inspiration? Do you lack direction, have bad habits, unhealthy relationships, and a mindset that has prevented you from achieving success? These inspirational videos can help. They don't contain the answers. Instead, they remind you of the deeper truths that you already know. Let's dive straight in. Number 5, Get Back Up by Nick Vujicic. Perfect for gaining perspective and remembering everything you have to be thankful for. A key quote: "It's a lie to think that you're not good enough. It's a lie to think that you're not worth anything." Nick Vujicic is a complete inspiration. Despite being born without arms or legs, Vujicic embraces all that life has to offer with love, compassion, and gratitude. This video features Nick taking part in sports and water slides combined with a powerful speech delivered to a hall full of young students. Number 4, the basketball scene from The Pursuit of Happiness. Perfect for when people try to hold you back or tell you to simply be realistic. Key quote: "Don't ever let anyone tell you that you can't do something. You gotta dream. You gotta protect it." This emotional scene from The Pursuit of Happiness is pure gold. At some point, everybody has been told, directly or indirectly, that they shouldn't pursue something. This inspirational video ends with the line, "People can't do something for themselves. They want to tell you that you can't do it. You want something? Go get it, period." Number 3, The Best Gift I Ever Survived by Stacey Kramer. Perfect for when life deals you an obstacle, setback, or tragedy. Key quote: "The next time you're faced with something unexpected, unwanted, and uncertain, consider that it just may be a gift." This inspirational video features a moving story from Stacey Kramer and her struggle with hemangioblastoma, also known as a brain tumor. Kramer explores all the positive life-changing benefits that were a result of her condition. Number 2, Steve Jobs' 2005 Stanford Commencement Address. Perfect for when you're feeling like you haven't made any progress. Key quote: "Have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become." In this inspirational video, Steve Jobs shares the pivotal moments that shaped his life and career. He explains how seemingly meaningless moments can have a profound impact on future events, such as when he sat in on calligraphy classes at college. None of this had even a hope of any practical application in my life, but years later, when we were designing the first Macintosh computer, it all came back to me. Jobs ends his speech with the immortal words, "Stay hungry, stay foolish." Number 1, Do What You Can't by Casey Neistat. Perfect for when you need to be reminded that you have fewer limitations than you think. Key quote: "When you're a creator, all you need is your phone, an internet connection, and a good idea, a story you want to share, something you need to say." In this inspirational video, creator Casey Neistat encourages you to pursue things that other people say you can't. It's a powerful reminder to ignore the limitations others put on us. My favorite quote: "The haters, the doubters are all drinking champagne on the top of the deck of the Titanic. And meanwhile, we are the iceberg." Number 1, take responsibility for your life situation. 2, most limitations in life are self-imposed. Number 3, you are more capable than you think you are. 4, you must believe in yourself. 5, follow your heart and intuition. 6, sustained happiness is a result of discipline.